how to use your Zoom Workplace app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Zoom for various videos and conferencing call. So let's dive right in. Head over to your Zoom app and then this is what the homepage looks like. So you can see new meeting option. If you tap on, you can automatically start a meeting by yourself. You can see a personal meeting code is already ready for you. You can copy the ID, copy the invitation and send it to the people that you want to join your Zoom meeting. You can send it through message, you can send it through email or more. Or if you have the meeting ID that is sent to you, then you can go to join and then you can put in the meeting ID or the personal link name. You can put in your name. You can choose whether you want to connect to audio or turn off your video and then join the meeting. Or you can even schedule the meeting. So if you want it for tomorrow, you can schedule it and then send it. And the meeting will automatically start at the scheduled time tomorrow. That's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.